Hi, I'm Errol from 91 Cycles. Without further ado, let me answer the most curious question you must have over here. Introducing the all-new Meraki from 91 Cycles. Yes, it's an e-bike with loads of features that you must not miss. So, shall we get started? The name Meraki is used to describe what happens when you leave something of yourself, your love, your creativity, your soul into something that you're working on. When you're passionate about working on something and you leave a piece of yourself in it. And the name Meraki does full justice to the cycle. Meraki is designed with the same passion and engineered to perfection to give you the ultimate ride experience. It is powered by a Panasonic cell, which gives you a superior range of 35 kilometers. Lock and key make it tamper-proof. E-brake and throttle give you safety and comfort. And the 4 travel modes give you the precise acceleration for all the conditions out there. So, let's jump into it to know more. So here's the key to your passion, to your Meraki. To start the bike, just insert the key and turn it to the right. After that, just press and hold the power button. And there you go. The Meraki is ready to hit the streets. Let's move on to the display to see what it indicates. Here's the battery level indicator, which indicates how much your e-bike is charged. This really helps in charging your e-bike timely. Sometimes the battery can flutter a bit, especially when you're moving up a slope or on the flyover on the road, but it gets back to normal. Let's move on to the other options here. We have plus and minus buttons, which helps to change the pedal assist level. We'll learn more about it in detail further in the video. Coming to the throttle, we have a unique feature, which is called half throttle. This proves really helpful when mounting the bike. And most importantly, it does not turn the throttle on. It's the little things that matter. Along with the half throttle, we have added another valuable feature, which is the e-brakes, which cuts off the motor when you apply the brakes. Let me explain it in simple terms. Let's say you're riding your e-bike with the motor on, and you apply the e-brakes. The inbuilt braking mechanism acts automatically and stops the bike immediately, without any damages or mishaps. Safety first. Let's talk about the pedal assist levels in the e-bike. When we start riding the bike, start with level 1 of the pedal assist levels and increase the levels as you get comfortable with the speed of the e-bike. An e-bike accelerates a lot faster than a normal bike. It might take 1 or 2 rides to get accustomed to this.
Pedal assist modes make cycling effortless and set you free to just enjoy yourself and the scenery. There are 3 modes: low, medium and high, based on the portion of power you wish to use from the motor as you pedal. The higher the mode, more the power from motor. Remember, you need to keep pedaling for the pedal assist mode to work at your selected level. The moment you stop pedaling, the motor will stop giving the desired power. We recommend keeping the display on the left side of the handlebar.
Meraki has a speed cutoff at 25 kilometers per hour. This means that if you're traveling on a moderate downhill, and as we pedal, if the speed crosses 25 kilometers per hour, the motor will stop assisting. That means that the motor will not assist beyond 25 kilometers per hour.
Meraki features 27.5-inch wheels with a 2.1-inch wide durable tires. It is powered with 160 mm front and rear mechanical disc brakes for quick and effective braking. It has frictionless front suspension fork with 80 mm travel. It features Kenley BB set with sealed cartridge, Panasonic 6.36 Ah lithium-ion battery pack is perfectly integrated inside the down tube of the e-bike, giving it a sleek look. Meraki has 1-year warranty on motor, controller, cables and battery pack. Last but not the least, it's designed in India. Always connect the charger to the AC or mains normal home socket first. Once the LED on the charger plug turns green, plug in the charger from the cycle. The LED will turn red. Plug out the charger once the LED has turned green again, which indicates full charge. The maximum charging time is 3 hours 12 minutes. We strictly recommend not charging the battery for more than 4 hours.
After charging, always make sure that your charging port cover is on so that dust or water doesn't seep in. Before you start riding the bike, make sure you insert this all the way inside so that water doesn't seep inside. We also have a cruise mode in the Meraki. You can use this mode to walk alongside your e-bike. You can activate this feature by long pressing the minus key on the keypad. Well, let's just say you reached your destinations and you feel like walking a bit more. No need to put in any extra effort to make the bike move any further. It just moves alongside you, a bit like a soulmate.
With our day-to-day hustle to achieve daily goals in life, we fail to feed our soul with the right things that define us in a unique way. It's time we move ahead. It's time we rise in a meaningful way and rediscover our soul. 91. Reclaim the outdoors.